Hello and welcome. Let's learn how to easily book a flight while comparing prices and exploring details like travel time, trip type, ticket prices, airline options, non-stop flights, and more. Step 1. Open your browser and type Google Flights in the search box. Click on the top result to open the Google Flights page. Step 2. Once you're on the page, you'll find Google's Flight Search tool. This tool helps you search for flights to your desired destinations. If you want to change the language, location, or currency, you can do so easily from the menu options on the left-hand side of the page. Step 3. Let's take an example. Searching for a flight from New York to Cancun. Select your travel dates from the calendar. Look for green prices. These indicate the lowest fares available for those dates. Specify other details like trip type, round trip, one-way, or multi-city, number of passengers, class type, economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Step 4. After clicking search, you'll see a list of available flights. Each result includes airline information, departure and arrival times, travel duration, ticket prices, flight types, non-stop, one-stop, or multi-stop, alternative options, if available. Step 5. Once you've found a suitable flight, select your desired option. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your booking. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or visit petflypolicy.com for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.